Good afternoon, everybody. Fanman Steve here once again. It is January the 1st, 2023. Christmas has came and went, and 2022 has finally came to a close. So we are going to be starting off 2023, the new year, with a lights video. And I'm pretty sure that some of you may remember seeing this in my Christmas gifts video that I did just shortly after Christmas. So I think this is going to be a really cool way to do my very first video of the year. These are outdoor and indoor curtain lights, and they are LED, and they are also the multicolor. Pretty much what it looks like there in the box. And they were made by Mercury Invitations. I did get a couple of boxes of these, and I have never seen these before, never heard of them. I had no idea that anything like this had even existed. And these lights are supposed to move along with the rhythm to music, which I find very interesting. And it even comes with a controller, and it even has these are basically the features that come to it. It has a dimmer control, and it even has a timer as well. It strings out to 200 LED lights, and of course these are battery powered and sound reactive. It pretty much has the features here on the back. 200 multicolor LED lights, 8 strands of light, sound reactive feature, flash and fade modes, remote control, timer and dimmer settings, and it measures to a 7 feet of width and 6.5 feet of height. And this is the controller right here. I think that's pretty cool. With Christmas being gone, this is gonna be a really cool thing, because I like these lights like this, and this is gonna be a really cool video. So let's go ahead and get this box open and see what we have here. Okay, so these are the LED lights here. The insulation is clear, as well as the bulbs, which I think is pretty cool. And this is the battery box here. It comes with 3 AAA batteries, but of course these were not featured, so I went ahead and put the batteries in there. And it also has the settings here on the battery box. So I think that's pretty cool. If you're hearing a loud bang in the background, then those are probably the neighbors shooting off their guns. Okay, pretty cool. Okay, and here is the controller. There is the adjustment for how you want to to set your light. I think that's a really cool feature. And these are how you want to set the rhythm of the lights, or the reactive uh, of the music. Of course, there's the timer and the off and on settings. And I think this just has like a simple clock battery to it. And this is the manual that it came with. Let's have a quick look at it. It's pretty much has all the instructions of the assembly and installation. I really do not feel like reading all of that, so just pause the video to read it if you want to. So they pretty much they're draped over your window curtain. I know you definitely wouldn't want to put them over a TV. Okay, here's the back of the manual. Okay. Alright. Let's go ahead and let's turn these on and see how they work. Oh, well, okay. These will even react to basically to any kind of sound, whether it's music or any particular other sound, or you can even talk to these. You can even talk and it'll react to it, which I think is pretty cool. All right. Let's look at the brightness control here. All right, I think that's pretty neat. Let's go ahead and get these things put up, and we'll see how these look installed. Okay, everybody. Now I have them very carefully installed along the walls here. I know these were intended to be installed over curtains, but I guess there's nothing wrong with doing it your own way. I think that looks pretty cool. I have the curtain there closed where it's easier to see in here. So let's go ahead and demonstrate now and turn this thing on. Okay. Great. Alright. So I'm just kind of messing around with the controls here to see how everything is working. I think that looks pretty cool. let's get this window here. Get this window here covered to where we can get a better look. Okay. Great. I think it looks pretty neat. Alright. That's pretty much what the dimmer there is. Let's put some music on and see how it works with the music. Okay. This was probably the only music that I can find where I am not going to have to deal with copyright infringement. So I'm just going to use this music here. This is from Sonic CD, and we're gonna demonstrate. We're gonna turn the music on. Alright, I think that's pretty cool. Okay, everybody. I do have another string of these lights that I'm going to get installed. I'm going to get those put up. Just have to find more batteries for those, and I'll be making a video of those too. So consider this maybe like a part 1 of this video. So there you have it, everybody. There is a very cool video of my LED sound activated lights. I hope that you all have enjoyed, and this is a really cool, bright way to start off 2023. Post comments, like, subscribe, and I hope that you all have enjoyed, and more videos to come. Bye bye.